So these last couple weeks has been sort of like on fast forward because of help from friends and family. So last week I showed you how we finished the upstairs. Well, not finished, but we made a lot of progress on the upstairs. Towards the end of that same time, we also had another friend come over who's a plumber, a very good plumber and a very good friend of Dan's. His name is also Dan. He came from the UK. Super thankful for you. So he came and helped us sort out some issues with the plumbing because we had someone come and do it, but there was, you know, a few things that had been forgotten, like ventilation. And he also helped us set up the septic tank, and we finally have a toilet that flushes. So anyways, this video is a little bit mismatched, a whole bunch of different little random clips. Some of the work that we did on the plumbing, plus Dan and his friend went to visit a sheep farm. So hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and yeah, enjoy the video.
Așa cum îi?
În lateral, că ar trebui. Îți dau chinga ție.
Așa, mergem încolo?
Nu, lungiți chinga.
Roceți încolo.
Da.
Îți dau și chinga asta.
Auzi, asta trebuie lungită să mergem în roată.
Ia scara de acolo, Dani.
Dacă prinzi de acolo și mergi pe margine,
Că da, te lungești cu ea.
și te lungești și îi dăm drumul mai
Sigur
ușor.
că da, uite și domnul la fel.
Și îi dăm drumul ca și mortul.
Exact, exact.
Dar nu știu cât de flexibil o să fii.
Ba,
Nu e așa grea, nu e grea.
E foarte ușor, da.
Așa. Ok, hai.
Ține sus, ține sus. Și dumneavoastră duceți în partea aia.
Dacă poți să mergi pe margine,
Noi ținem.
Hai.
hai.
Veniți, eu nu pot să trag de el.
Hai, Dan, prinde de acolo.
Nu.
Acolo. Așa, prinde și trage încolo.
Așa.
Hai, încă un pic.
Noi suntem aici.
Gata, Sorin, astupă-l.
Trage de șufă. Nu trage.
Trag, dar răsucim tigara.
Dar nu o să poate băga
Acum e
cineva.
perfect cum se răsucește.
Bine,
Da, poți să-i dai, eu can release.
da. Ce treabă să face cu chingile. Prima dată să punem pe țară.
Așa, asta e fosa. Ne-am rămas puțin nisip. Da, domnul inginer. Asta e acolo sus. Mamă, ce lucrare o să fie acolo.
Mă aruncați una aici.
Gata, mai pus destulă fotografie. Treci la treabă.
Luca, fac video. Las camera să muncească.
Ca la nuntă, da.
Well, the wheelbarrows are getting full. The pipe is getting covered. And we're getting tired. That's the story of right now. Yep. That's how it feels. Satisfying. Altogether. Well, the wheelbarrows are getting full. The pipe is getting covered. And we're getting tired. That's the story of right now. Yep. That's how it feels. Satisfying. Altogether.
So we're moving on to the next stage. This room the ceiling is painted. I worked on this a couple days ago. It's like cleaning off the plaster and putting the tape And painting. I've done 2 coats here, but I think it needs a third. So third coat goes on today, and then onto this section. Yeah. And then we've got this room in there. It looks simple, but it actually took me a whole day to do this part because I know it just takes time. So hopefully today, if I finish this, and then tomorrow or day after I finish that, then ceilings will be done. We can move on to the next thing, which will be the floor.
Acum vino.
A apărut.
Acum vino. Da, da, da.
La departe, fiată și departe.
Le filmăm de aici, da.
Ia da, le face.
Look. Look at the sheep. They're happy to come to give us milk. Sunt fericite să vină să ne dea lapte. Ia uite ce fericite. Ia uite ce fericite sunt, na. Ia uite aici, na. Ia uite cum vin. Ia uite cum vin. Oh, la sare vin, fii atent la sare.
Dar le văd
Ia
acum, le
uite la
văd.
sare, na.
N-am văzut-o în viața lor.
Ia uite aici. Câte sunt? 500, 500. 500. 500 sheep. No. Ia uite și pe ăsta. Look at this guy, so beautiful. Come, do a trick. Do some trick. Do some trick.
Sheep and
Goats.
goat. See? That's his goat. And the sheep.
And the shepherd. And the shepherd is right there. Berbecule. Ne speriem să ne dăm mai așa?
He's big with you.
Eating salt.
Salt. You see, he's licking the salt. Eee.
Ma va.
Yeah. Look, he's going inside. You like it?
Meh. Hey Lavale, hey. Ia uite cum a sărit aia, mă.
For eating milk, make milk, and make clothes from this stuff. You make clothes from that.
From the skin.
From this.
Ia una în brațe, ia-l pe ăla în brațe, Dan.
Lasă, lasă. Salt. Salt.
Am rămas un miel. Am rămas un miel sus acolo. It's a lamb there, up there. It's a lamb. Oh, it's a dog. Oh, it is a dog.
I know.
Man.
You see the view.
Moș câini a murit pe tot frumos acela.
Da.
Am văzut pe asta. 4 câini,
Da?
5.
Serios.
Mântuie. Aici mari, o apără pe asta.
O apără pe asta. E drag.
4 câini aia când e la
O apără pe asta.
4 câini.
Păi da.
Nu ți-o spui, nu ți-o spui ei. Atâta linie dragă. Hai pe ai o plătă pe voi.
Da?
Dacă o trimănă, la mine nu vine.
Nu, a?
You and your friends.
Hai până unde voi după ele și ne-am băgat de ele.
Serios? Hai.
50-0, mă.
Oh,
Da.
serios?
E, v-au lăsat zero. Hai,
Hai,
mă
mă.
sunați să mă duc.
Da?
Păi, dar să nu-i pun nimic.
Unde e Nicolița?
Nu, unde?
Doarme? Serios?
Dacă mă băgat.
Nu mai poate, a?
Nu știu ce. Nu, le ce pe tine. Eu, mă duc, eu trec în nimeni, dar nu sunat între ei. Hai acolo, da, în locul pe care, adă-le. Eu le adă.
Nu,
Ce
da?
te suni eu, cu ei cu tăi. Dacă e dai de tăi. Eu rămas niște oi pe altă parte. Nu vede. E Nicolița doar lângă, vin oile și el doarme. Are rău în poate. Chiar nu poate sta cu nevasta.
Nu mai, a?
Nu mă spune. Deci eu așa prost.
Mai
Îl
bine.
duce la măsa întins, dar stă să duc la mama mea. Aici sunt voi bolnavi, sunt mii.
Da?
Eu măresc. Hai, care
Ah.
Prima uite acolo, uite ce rămâne. Ce nu rămâne, se șteope, știi, rămân. El bula, acolo că la rest. Atâta că trebuie să o fac și altul.
Looks like snow, but it's not snow. It's salt. So we came here to our neighbor to see how he deals with the sheep. So he's got like around 700 sheep and lambs. So now they're separating the sheep, the sheep that can give milk in the morning, and the ones that will need to feed their babies. So on this side, there are little lambs. And on the other side, there, the sheep. They all need to keep the milk. They need to keep the milk for the lambs, for the little lambs. And back, and far back there. And far back there are the sheep that will give the milk for. They'll give the milk for the day. Prima oară stai aici. Now Ioan and Marinella is milking the goats. They're coming with their own accord to give the milk. It's beautiful. And on this side, they are the ones that are waiting for the turn to be milked.
Nu mă pun să mă pun la ăla.
Uita.
Să mă pun la voi. La porci. La porci. Nu să stai.
Wow, strategy. Look at those goats. They're waiting for their turn to be milked. Look at them, how they're waiting for the turn to be milked.
Nu, îmi place. Bine de acolo.
Aici de ce spui? Că se aude toată țara, toată lumea.
Dar nu culpă, știi?
Toată lumea te aude.
Lasă să mă audă, poate mă pun la ui. Eu găsesc un joc. Știi că vorbesc tehnic, am un joc. Păi, Dane, uite, mi-a găsit un lucru.
Stai acolo că ești vedetă. Zâmbește. Uite, o zâmbi la cameră. Zâmbi la cameră. Astea sunt cu miei, nu? Că nu,
Da.
nu da. Ah. Și
Trebuie să dea și la
Și ele trebuie să dea la miei, nu?
normal.
No, ce frumoasă este, uite ce frumoasă este. Zi ceva.
Bagrează, easy, ușor, nu? Am venit
Easy,
ușor.
easy, slow. Slowly. Easy.
Tranquil.
Easy.
Spaniolă.
Ești spaniolă, zice.
Nu, că am uitat de filmul. De film.
A jucat el în filme, știi?
N-am jucat.
Nu, da.
Am văzut mii filme.
So, while we've been working upstairs, this is has all been going on downstairs. Now we're finishing up the end. Big rocks, small rocks, sand.
Ok, nu-i problemă.
Okay.
Here's the septic, and this is the drain field.
Mai bine cu o casma și atâta, gata.
Wow, so deep.
Atâta și vine țeava și apa asta în jos, se duce și cât e...
Bag acum țeava asta.
Da, și vedem cât e și mai dăm unde trebuie, unde nu punem nisip. O aranjăm, am pus nisip pe ea și am
Aleluia.
petriș. Da,
Ai dat de galben. Deja faci casă de chirpici.
de chirpici. Asta de aici, fac casă de chirpici. We reached the yellow earth, so we can build a house with this. This
Oh,
is good
clay,
for building
the clay?
for clay.
Yes.
It's good for building. It's good for making bricks and building a house. Forget about this house. Let's start a new one.
Oh, cool.
You
So what
have
happens
everything.
first? Big rocks?
Atâta, Sorin, o casma intră cât poți.
Nisip.
Sand.
Oh, first
sound.
sand. First
20
sand.
centimeter.
Uh-huh.
After a 60 centimeter rock.
Small rocks? Small, big,
Big
mix.
is better, I
Oh,
think.
Să vedem
okay.
cum ajunge cu nisipul.
And after that, the pipe. You
Uh-huh.
have the plastic in the corner. You
Uh-huh.
need to cover all this pipe. And after that,
Close it up.
close.
Cool.
And you have the toilet function.
Yeah.
You can go to the back.
Snakes. Send somebody. Open. My priest. Arăcit. S-a muiat.
Look, you can see the stork. Probably has one of the nests nearby. I really like storks. So apparently, if you apply the electric department, probably not now, like in the fall or in the winter, they will come and put one up for you, a platform. So we've got 2 electricity poles near the house. So I want to apply for one. I think storks are so cool. Look how big and tall he is. Taking pests. Oh, we had so much rain the last few days. I can see all the trees are starting to green up. I haven't been out yet because so much to do inside. But at least I don't have to worry about it. I will maybe walk down later with some boots. The guys also hooked up the toilet. So we have a functional toilet and a functional sink. Yeah. It's all coming together.
Așa de asta mare, Sorin. Ia de asta mare, mami. Bun. Care mai puțin. Așa, da.
So this is done. Look how nice and bright white it is. 3 coats, all clean. And last room. Whew. This is the smallest, and we have the best setup. So I think this shouldn't take too long. Gonna start cleaning and primer, and then and then. In the meantime, Dan is starting to clear up the edges, I think, and prep for putting the flooring, final flooring, hopefully this week. Check out our strawberries, full of little babies, little strawberries. Nice. Definitely a lot of weeds. Gotta pull them out. Oh, look. Hey, it's our first red strawberry. Mmm. Hey, it's perfect. Well, it's ugly, but it's perfectly ripe. Let me see. Mmm. Well, not very sweet, a bit tart, but still good. Alrighty. Lots and lots of strawberries. Awesome. Haha. We need to clear up some of the space to plant our tomatoes. So I did not have a chance to fix these, make these beds. And well, here we are. It's not ideal. What to do, what to do, what to do. Just mark them out. I don't know if you can tell, but this is the path. This is the bed. I did 2. I can mow in the row and just pull the weeds in the bed. But this is only 1. Lay out the rest. Okay, must think. In the meantime, let me see how for something more inspirational, let us see how the rain has benefited our other plants. Let's see how these berries are doing on the side. I don't think that one's alive. Oops. Oh, look at this. How nice. Oh, like a frat house for bugs. Wow. Growing nicely, I would say. Aha! Nice. I thought this tree was dead, but it's got some growth. Nice. All Alrighty, moment of truth. This should I say was or is? Well, it's not dry, even though it hasn't quite budded. This is the almond tree. Maybe it needs a bit of extra water. Here we have a chestnut. Oh dear. That bud kind of dried up. Oh, there's so much rain. Well, it's still green. It's still green, so there's still hope. We just have to give up. Well, these raspberries are starting to fruit. I don't think these are alive. Oh well. This is nice. This one actually had some flowers. Apple tree. Raspberries looking good. Oh, this is actually also still alive. I think it needs some more water. Hazelnut. Well, some of the branches are dead, but this tree's good. Some of these hazelnuts really struggled. Yeah, this one is budding, so still alive. This finally has some leaves. So just two. Very much alive. Ooh. Budding happening here. Very good. I don't know. Still got some color in it. Still got some buds. So, might be. Look, a leaf. These hazelnuts are so sensitive. Either that or we didn't get very good ones. Could be that. This is some kind of plum. I don't know if that's alive. But this is alive. Raspberries. I guess this is also alive. Maybe these are later budding varieties. These seem to be surviving. Oh, nice. This is the moss lawn. I thought it wasn't going to make it, but look at these nice soft leaves. Looks like it is making it. This is Tay. Also survived. Very good, very good. Yeah, you can see why I was thinking it wouldn't survive because the original growth died, but look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This raspberry might be alive. Who knows? See, hazelnuts are so sensitive. There was so much rain. I think they have extra water requirements. They all look so sad. Well, still alive, but very, very grumpy about it. I think I have to come out and water. And I know there's a ton of weeds, but that's okay. I'm actually pleased because then I can cut them down for mulch. As long as I do it before they seed. This is all that matters. Still alive. Oh, this one's also got life. Wonderful. Oops, this root is uncovered. I probably do have to come out here and water. It even rained yesterday. I thought maybe that would be enough, but guess not. Well, I'm very pleased with the trees. All the trees are alive. The hazelnuts, not best pleased, are all struggling, but they still have buds, so there is still hope. Hope springs. And everything is mostly alive. I'm also a little unsure about these chestnuts and almonds on the side. They still have color, which is a good thing. Oh, look, small little. I was painting, but yeah, small buds. Still has some life. See, this is green. At least the bottom is green. Oh, and does have some sprouts. Okay. I think I need to not worry about them so much. Just let them do their thing. I just want to see one hazelnut that's doing well. Oh, look at this potato. These weeds, these vining things are the worst. They are everywhere. Maybe I'll leave the potato. It's okay. I was going to plant potatoes, but I see that it is entirely unnecessary. There are so many left over from last year that we should have whatever we need. Oh, hey, thank you. It's my first hazelnut that's growing as it should. Look at it. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I should remove this. Okay, where there's life, there's hope. Does that mean they should all look like this by now? Well, I guess there is still hope. Oh, and here's another one. This is different color leaves. All right. So we got two different varieties of hazelnuts. So I guess one has these awesome purple leaves and one type has the green leaves. Wow. Nice. Oh, some of the ones back here actually are doing better. This one's also a lot well with leaves. Okay. Good to know. I put a ton of clover seeds. Maybe that's what's sprouting here. I do hope so. Those little babies. Because I will have to come through here soon and mow these nasty spikies. And then hopefully, yeah, it must be, look, so many of them everywhere. Or it's could also be the billions of weed seeds that are still here from last year. But let's hope. Okay, I'm pretty happy with all these trees, except for this one, but all the rest. These are, this is a plum. Well, it's not snapping, so it still has some life in it. It's not like dry and, dry and dead. These tay, so cute. They all survived, so that is good. All right, I'm feeling good about this. We had such nice heavy rain. These are still alive, mostly. This is a type of wild berry which I would have been happy. There's so many of it, just like volunteers, but they don't taste good. Last year I let a couple grow just to taste them. They're growing everywhere, 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 all in every ditch. Look, this is right here. So these seeds are growing in like every ditch, but they taste so bad, like bitter and yucky. So, more mulch. Oh, this comfrey and horsetail kind of bothered me a lot last year, but now I realize there's mulch because they have super deep tap roots apparently, so they pull up nutrition from like deep down in the soil. And then if you can, this is sea buckthorn starting to leaf out. Yeah, so if you let them grow and then chop them up for mulch, it's actually got nutrition for the soil. Okay, wow, these berries are everywhere. Time to get the mower ASAP. These gooseberries are alive and well, mostly. All right, back here. What to do about the tomatoes? That is the question. What if I plant them here? These plants. Yeah, it's too much. There's too much going on here. That's already. No, it has to be here. Just have to plant it and mow it. So let me see, how many plants can I get in one to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, yeah. So I have 42. I probably need 3 beds for tomatoes. 3 beds for tomatoes. This one was supposed to be for onions. Maybe we just put onions everywhere in between everything. Yeah, we need 3 beds for tomatoes and probably 2 beds for peppers. Okay. This is burdock. I thought maybe it was like volunteers of the zucchini from last year, but no, not yet. This is burdock, which is actually medicinal for like skincare and stuff. And see this thing? It grabs your legs as you pass by. Apparently it can cure cancer. I'll put the name of what it is. And look how much we have of it. All these weeds are good. Anyway, I'm not going to pull them, I'm going to mow them so we can get all the benefits that they have for the soil on the soil, as long as we do it before they go to seed. Like these have gone to seed, but it's okay. These are also good for the soil, I guess. Berries are here, all green. Probably a couple weeks. They should be good. The mint is coming back. Oh, look at the peas. My peas. They're quite nice. Don't hold hands. Hold on to the fence. That's what it's for. Okay, I've got a lot to do. Fixing up here, so I'm gonna do that. And this one cute little pansy plant. Well, that's it for now. Lots of work starting on the garden, lots of weeds to be cleared up after all the rain. But the garden is starting to take shape and look nice, and I look forward to showing you next week about the planting and, yeah, mostly planting and irrigation, which is what we've been working on. Anyway, really appreciate you guys watching our videos, and see you again soon. Bye.